Question number 2. So we have Joey borrowed $282,000 February 22nd, 2017. Okay, so interest is 3.9. On March 31st, 2018, $100,000 was paid back. Okay, so I'll separate these because these are repayments here of that loan. December 10th, so 2018, so 80,000, I guess, was paid back. And a final payment is supposed to be May 21st, 2019. Find the final payment and show all your work using on-demand payment calculations. Okay, so this is going to be painful. Okay, so on-demand. Okay, payment calculations. All right. Okay, so let's draw a timeline here for ourselves, just so that we can see what's happening. So we have this actually spanning over several years. So we have 2017, that was February 22nd. And we have, and that's 282,000. Okay, so that's the loan. Now in 2018, so over a year later, 100,000 was paid back on March 31st. So this is March 31st, and then we have 100,000 paid back. Same year, December 10th, 80,000 was paid back. Okay. And so 2019, so I'm going to put here 2019, May 21st. Okay, and we have to pay everything off right here. So that's the final payment. Okay, because it says on demand, this is the annoying part. One way, to do this is to simply move all the amounts to May 21st in 2019. And then, your debt of 282,000, and then you can subtract whatever you've paid off so far to get your last payment. But because it says on-demand payment calculations, we have to kind of do it one by one. Okay, so meaning, because it's getting paid off on demand, we're going to first move 282,000 to March 31st. It's going to accumulate interest. Now our interest throughout this whole thing is 3.9%. Okay, so that's right here. And as it accumulates interests, that 282,000 is going to grow. And then we're going to take away 100,000, okay, from that debt, so it won't be as big. So that's our first step. Now, we are moving it into the future, okay, so relative to the February 22nd of 2017. Okay, so first calculation, since we're moving it into the future, we're going to use the future value formula. And we have, so 282,000, 1 plus, so now our interest. And now we need to know the difference between the two dates, okay? So February 22nd, now luckily nothing here is in a leap year, 2017, 18, or 19. So we can use our calendar to try to find out. So I'm going to find out first. Okay, so February 22nd. So I will do it the long way for you. Okay, just so that you can see it. So February 22nd. So that's the, so right here, 53rd day. Okay, so let me put that in. So I'm going to do it here on the side. So that's the, sorry, here, 53rd day. And then March 31st. Let's just get all the dates. Okay, so March 31st. Let's go back. So March 31st. That's the 90th day. Right here. Okay. So this is the 90th day. December 10th. Let's check what that will be. December and 10th. So that is 344th day. So 344. And then May 21st. So that'll be our last one. May 21st. So May. So that's 141st day. Okay. So 141. Okay, so I just wrote the days in between. Days in there. So we need this length first. Okay, so how many days we have in between. So I know, so in 2017, I have, so in 2017, okay, I have 365 days, okay, minus 53. Okay, so that will equal, so we can, if you like, you can punch that in your calculator if you can't do it in your head. So that's 312 days, so that's right here. Plus, okay, this 90 days right here, so plus 90 days, okay, and that is from 2018. Okay, so we have basically 402 days in total. So that's 402 over 365. So yes, you know, when you don't have a business calculator, it's a lot of kind of annoying work. So now let's punch this in, okay, so in our calculator to try to see what we get. Okay, so I'll work this whole thing out. So 294,112,87. So it has grown. Hasn't grown. I mean, relative, it's still a lot. 3.9% is not terrible. Okay, so now we know this amount of 282,000. We know the equivalent value on March 1st, 2018. Okay, now we're going to pay off, so it says, we're going to pay off 100,000 of this amount. Well, if you subtract, we're going to get 194,112.87. So our debt has decreased. Okay, so now this is how much we own. So now next, this is what I said, that this is the annoying part. Well, now we're going to have to move that amount over here. So that's going to be our second calculation. So number 2, so it's still future value. I'm not going to repeat this formula here. Okay, so we're starting now with a smaller amount of debt. 1 plus, so 0.039. And now we need the number of days in between. So this one is a little bit easier because it's within the same year. Okay, so in order to find the number of days, okay, so we have, so here on the side, okay, so 344, because that's December, minus 90, that is March 31st, okay, and now we can calculate that. Again, you can use your calculator if you like. So that's 254 days. So we have 254 divided by that. Okay, so what does that come out to? So again, you can punch this in to your calculator. So I'm going to do that right now. And we get, when we do this, so again, it will grow a little bit. So 381.04, right? Okay, so this is what we have. And, okay, so now we pay off, so minus, okay, so the 80,000, okay. Okay, and our debt is smaller, okay, ever so. And now finally, or lastly, well, now we have to, okay, so take and move this over here. Okay, so but now, again, so it's spanning from 2018 to 2019, so you have to be careful how you count the number of days there. Okay, so that will be number 3 right here. So S equals, so now we have 119,381.04, 1 plus 0.039. We need the number of days. Okay, well, we know December 10th. Okay, so we have in 2018, okay, so we have 365 days minus the December, which is 344. Okay, so that gives us, okay, basically 21 days. And plus, okay, so we have this, as you see on the top right, I'm doing a check mark. We have 141 days because that's May 21st. So we're going to add that up. Okay, and in total, we get 162 days. Okay, great. Divided by 365. And this will now give us the total amount we're going to have to pay off. Okay, so that's our final step. So 162 divided by 365. Okay, so you can calculate it through. Okay, so I'm going to leave you with that, okay, as you try it out for yourself. Okay, and our final amount, so it's still a lot of money. Okay, this is how much we would have to pay off. So when you're looking at this, this is an annoying and it's a hard question. Because we have it on demand, where we're paying it off as we go, you have to take away the payments. Okay, and this is how you could approach this question. All right, so that final payment, okay, is this payment right here. Okay, I hope that helps.